Hi guys, Julie here. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So by the title of the video, you already know I'll be going to Trade Fair, and Trade Fair is the biggest and the cheapest market in Nigeria, and it's in Lagos, by the way. So the direction is from Yanapaja to Trade Fair. I'll be leaving the direction on the screen. So from Yanapaja to Yanoba, that's 400 naira. You take a bus, and then you take another bus from Yanoba to Trade Fair on that bridge. That's 200. So it's either you take a bike or you take a bus, but then the bus is way cheaper. And there are two gates or two entrances. One is the Abia gate, and then the other is the Balogun. But I took the Balogun route, and I didn't even see any gates. Where they stopped me, I don't know if it's my fault. I'm supposed to tell the driver to stop where I was supposed to stop. I just don't know. I shall know that I entered another gate entirely that did not write Balogun or did not write Abia whatsoever. You guys. So this is where I entered though. This is the whole welcome to Trade Fair, guys. So what I notice is each building has a state, or each building represents a state in Nigeria. Like each building has a state in Nigeria. You see what I'm talking about in a GFO. Yeah, this is what I'm saying, like the Yobe. I try to take some shots so you see what I'm telling you. And where I am supposed to go to is Plateau. That's where they sell hairs and cheap hair, affordable things and stuff like that. So finally, this was the Plateau we're looking for. We searched everywhere, so we decided to enter one corner. Hairs yakpa, you guys, I'm not even going to lie. There are plenty wigs, plenty hairs, plenty. They are so affordable, but then when they are affordable, are they gonna last? I decided to touch one. Look at that brown hair I was touching, guys. That hair is sold for 15,000 naira. You guys, I can't even advise my enemy to buy that hair. That's Bone Street look-alike. Oh, I'm not even going to lie. That's Bone Street look-alike, and it's sold for 15,000 naira. You guys, I am 100% sure that is made of attachments. But then there are also good hairs though, if you know what you're looking for. Like there are cheap hairs that are good, and then there are cheap hairs that are not good. But then I feel you should see what you're buying, touch what you're buying, feel it. It's allowed. You could touch it, you could feel it, and you would know the texture of what you're looking for. So this is me here looking for my hair because I wanted to get a Bixicle 20 inches, and I've been asking from shops to shops and no one could get it for me. I was so frustrated that I was even tired. I was tired of even I even forgot that I was vlogging. I stopped vlogging at some point because I walked. I couldn't even see what I was looking for. So this is up close of this hair, guys. This is a T frontal. I kid you not, guys. This hair is sold for 15,000 naira. You guys, I'm not even going to lie. I can't even advise you to buy this hair. This hair is whack. This hair is whack. This hair won't even last you for a week or even 2 weeks. Because if you've worn it, it's going to be a struggle. It's basically like attachment. I'm not even going to lie. You can see how shiny this hair is looking. I touched it, guys. It is so strong. So finally, this was the shop I entered and I got my hair. So this hair I'm holding right now, I priced it. I wanted to buy it though, but the hair I bought was above my budget, so there's no money to buy this one. By the way, this hair is 55,000 naira, and then I later priced it to 50k, but I didn't even get it because I even entered another shop and I saw this same hair. The woman said 45,000 naira, and she was even begging me to come and take it for 44k. I think when I priced it, I would have gotten it below that price. So this is another hair sold for 30 something thousand naira. I think 38 or 35. So yeah, there are good hairs, and then there are not good hairs. There are cheap hairs. There are expensive hairs. This is the guy that sold that hair for me. In his mind, he don't cheat me now. See as he's kissing me. So after finally getting the hair, this is me going home. And I was so happy that I got the hair, by the way. And then we need to drink water. I'm tired. So guys, this is me getting a wig stand. I needed a wig stand because my old one is no longer good, and then I needed to change. So I got this wig stand for 9,500, and I got a ring light, 10-inch ring light for 5,000 naira. 10-inch ring light for 5,000 naira. You guys, is that cheap? But to me, oh. So this is the Abia gate that I was supposed to go to. Anyways, I have learned my lesson. So these are the things I bought. I bought wig, I bought ring light, I bought wig stand, and yeah, this is the gate we entered. We went out, whatever. So we entered, and then we took a bike to straight from that bridge, and then from there we started going home. And you guys, going to trade fair, if you know what you're doing, if you know things about hair, you should know what you're getting. Getting hairs in trade fair cheap, it is possible. Making the hair last, it is also possible, but then you need to know the kind of hair you're buying. So this is the hair I got, you guys. I got 200 gram pixie curls with a matching frontal, 16 inches frontal. The bundles are 20 inches, so I'll be making this as a wig, and that will be in my next video. So yeah, and I also got the wig stand, and I'll be showing you guys in a jiffy. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.